Let's go. Welcome everybody back to the channel. Coming to you to cover some ZEBEC. Let's pump it up. Y'all heard that from a content creator before? You gotta pump it up. Right now, we got ZEBEC sitting at 002481. Up 9% on the day. Boy, that little tweet Trump put out, I don't know if it's true or not, but it pumped the market a little bit. Bitcoin jumped all the way, man. I don't know what Bitcoin went. It went all the way up to 71,800. ZEBEC pumped all the way up to 002543. We had this pattern. We wicked all the way up to 2989. I want to bring that to your attention. We came down. We hit the 90-day. We bounced off the 90-day. We went back up and hit at 002713. We came back down. Didn't quite get to the 90-day and went back up to try to retest that resistance level up there at 2713 and got rejected and came back down. Got close to the 30-day and ended up getting rejected. Well, not rejected, come down to the 30-day, almost to the bottom of this support level, and we pushed all the way back through the 90-day and the 7-day. So right now we're holding above the 7-day. Right in an area of resistance, and we're trying to, the buyers are trying to win the battle against the sellers. So right now we're sitting at a volume of 12.34 million. And what we need some more volume to come in here. As you can see back over here, when we rallied, that was 177.42 million. That was 191.09 million when we made this rally and run all the way up to almost 00. Well, we did 0030. So we're needing some volume to come in. What we got now, we got more buyers than we do sellers, and that's good, but it's on low volume. We need some volume to come in. But just being honest with you, we could see a pull. I'm looking to see a pullback in this market. We're looking to come back down here to the bottom, hit this double bottom, and then go back up. Now, I wanted to bring something else to your attention. If we do come back down and hit, we come back down to the 002231 and bounce. If we get above this level right here, it's going to confirm that we're going much higher. We're going a little bit higher at 2493. Excuse me. If we get above this neckline right here, we could be trying to push our way back up and retest this area up here at 002713. If we break above that, we could go back up here and retest the 0030. But right now, we're looking for a pullback. Have a double bottom right here at the 2239, and then getting back up above the 90 to 7-day and breaking through this, breaking above and holding above this neckline right here at 002493, and then go back up and retest this resistance area up here. We've hit it twice already. Tried on the third time, but we were weak. So I don't think nothing this move that we got today that it's going to hold. We could just, come back down and pick up some more support. I'm looking for Bitcoin to pull back, and I'm figuring Bitcoin. I got on Bitcoin over here going up. I think it was around 75 to 79,000. Getting right above this channel right here somewhere. Getting above the 90 somewhere right in, the 90 sits at 76,218. Now I do think we're gonna come back down. We're gonna run back up, and I think we're gonna get just above the 90-day, maybe hit the top of this trend line and come and get rejected somewhere. I don't think we might get just above right here, maybe somewhere between $75,000 and $80,000, and then we're gonna have another major pullback on Bitcoin. But we'll have to see. It's hard for anybody to predict these markets when you're getting tweets from Trump and so what and so on. So right now we're coming up on this 2493. We did push up above it, but we're right below it right now. So look for that to happen. Now, if we push up above this area right here at 2537, I just don't. We could push up there, but I do believe we're going to come back down and hit this bottom again. We're going to have a double bottom down here at 002233. So see right above, you got that 236 right there. That's resistance right there. You get up here, you get close to that resistance, and you don't. It made it right up to the 382 right here on this last third try, and it came all the way down, almost to the zero there. So with momentum, we could now, but I do believe we're going to come back down to the 30 next to the 30-day. I think this little push up today is going to cool down, and we're going to pull back down. I really do. Because if it had been confirmed that from Iran that they was willing to make a negotiation and ceasefire or whatever the deal was, I do believe we could have rallied right on up a little bit more. But you got it's got us confused. It's got me and you confused. People, we invest in the market, and there's a lot of people that invest in the crypto market. So when you get good news like this, people rush in and buy. They rush in and buy. And then here's everybody, they rushing in to buy. The price is shooting up. And all of a sudden, news comes out. Iran says they didn't make that they lying, that the Trump's lying, that they been sending messages, but Iran says we're not responding. Well, in reality, Iran could be responding and lying to us or lying to the media. I'm just telling you, it's vice versa. I hope Trump won't come out there and say, hey, but sometimes to me, they come out there and say things like this to keep the market up. When they see a market dropping, and, gold and stuff's been going down, stocks has been dropping down, and they know this. So what does it take? All it takes is one tweet from Trump or something on social media, posted on social media. Well, we're working on a deal. I'm backed up. I said 48 hours, but I'm gonna ease the pressure off. Okay, and then we're gonna make it out like they're coming to the table. I just don't see Iran coming to the table. I really don't. Within myself, I see a lot more got to happen before Iran comes to the table. A lot more. So it's just a bad situation right now. Fuel prices almost $6 a gallon here in the South, North Carolina. I live right here at South Carolina, North Carolina border, on the East Coast. But it's terrible. And you raise fuel prices, shipping goes up. We're gonna pay for it. So I'm I don't know what to say. I'm just sitting back and enjoying the ride when it goes up. If it pulls back where I think it's going to pull back, and if it can, when it pulls back, I must see the overall market's going. Bitcoin's going to rally, and then it's going to pull back further down. It's going to go below 60,000, way below 60,000. If somebody's telling you any different, but understand this, it's hard to predict the bottom too. I just got my thesis on it. What I did make a video on it. It's on my channel. I think on the thumbnail it says Bitcoin 32,000, 38,000, something like that. And so far in the last the last two bull runs, it's done what it's done, and I don't see this one being no different. So, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention and tell you, just hang in there. Keep buying the dips, because ZEBEC just partnered with Stellar XLM, or they done some kind of partnership, and that means a lot. I mean, you got Stellar's right there, the main's right there behind XRP, and I hear there's rumors of XRP or Ripple and ZBAC partnership, but that ain't been confirmed yet, so I don't want to speak ahead of myself. I don't hold no XRP. I think it's. I invest in Canton Network, XCN, ZBAC, SUI, ICP. I got Link. I do. I think World Liberty Finance. Another one I'm watching to see how far it drops back is KTA. I'm watching KTA. Interested in buying some XDC. But to me, ZBAC's at the top of it. It's at the top of it. I think ZBAC's my largest bank, to be honest with you, because I think it's going to do really good. It's going to do good when they launch it. Payroll, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, people. A lot of money. So, if you like the content, what's the other one say? They say, hit the smashy like button. Ain't that how it puts it? Smashy the like button, and subscribe to the channel. And what's the other one say? Well, just sit back and wait for the domino theory to take effect. Jake Clapper, yeah. I watch him sometimes, but I don't believe nothing he says, but I do watch him. We entitled our own opinion, so 1,000, 10,000. If I really had that feeling in my heart, I wouldn't buy nothing else but XRP. That's all I would cover, XRP. But XRP is going to run to $7 in the next bull run. I'm looking for it to go to 70 cents. If those that got it, which is a good return. You get it for 70 cents and it goes to $7. Wow, that's really good. That's a 10x, really good. But I don't see it in the future going no 3-digit, 4-digit. By the time it gets to 3 digits, even the youngest man holding it's going to be dead and gone. Passed away in the hole in the ground, my friend. Hole in the ground. But I'm looking. It could in our lifetime. I figure it's going to get to double digits. I don't see it going to the double digits the next cycle bull run, but I do think it'll get to $7, maybe just above $7, maybe $8. Somewhere between $6 and $8. I'm looking for XRP to do, but there's a lot of bad stuff behind XRP that nobody knows about. But I got my own ideas and opinions on XRP. Used to be my largest bag, but ZBEC's my largest bag now. And XRP might turn out to be what people think it is, you know. So a very good one to get into to look on Canton Network. Do you know Canton Network moves way more money every day than XRP? It's moved even with Ripple. Canton Network moves way more money than Canton Network's used to move money a lot more than Ripple and XRP. Look it up. A lot more. So, Stewie and Canton Network, ZBEC, that's going to be some of your top performing cryptos in the next bull run. And I'm telling you, I'll make another video, but I did do, you got to follow the money, like with 2021, 22 bull run with the Ethereum Classic, 25, 26 bull run with Zcash, and now what's the next one's going to be? I followed the money. I seen who was heavily invested and where they setting their money at right now, where they investing their money at now. One was BitTensor, one was Ondo, believe it or not. Ondo, Sui. I did cover those three, but I did a search with AI to see where this heavy money was at that caused that Ethereum push up, and then you got Zcash that just went to 700 and something. And I wanted to know the next tokens that the projects that they was heavily invested in, like they was with Ethereum Classic, and it was Ethereum Classic and Zcash, and I just gave you 3 or 4 of them. So hit that smash like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's keep coming together to pump it up. And let's keep holding out till this domino theory takes effect. To the next one, enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless you. And we'll see you on the next one.